Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today, on your daily Qigong practice, we're going to do the 8 pieces of brocade. I've selected a few exercises that I find the most beneficial, especially in the morning, to help you open up through the spine, to help you open up through the chest and the lower back. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. You want to begin in a standing position and make sure you adjust your alignment so you can feel yourself relaxing through your muscles while you're standing. Take a moment here to make sure that your feet are firm on the ground. Unlock your knees. Then bring your hips forward, or actually the tailbone forward. So it helps you to relax the lower back. Then keep your spine nice and straight. Shoulders relaxed. And do your best here to send your body weight down into your feet. So allowing the muscles of the lower back to let go a little bit, sending that effort into your legs. That's why you need to be standing firm on the ground so you can distribute that weight. The higher you go, the more relaxed you want to feel. That means dropping the weight of the world from your shoulders, relaxing through the chest, releasing tension from the abdomen. Also checking in with your neck. For the good posture, you want to keep your chin slightly in, allowing yourself to elongate through the back of the neck. And keeping this good posture, we're going to twist and turn. Let me just making sure I am standing firmly on the ground. So the point of this exercise, I use it a lot at the beginning, is to get the blood moving, get the juices flowing. And of course, relax through the muscles. And if we relax through the muscles, we can relax the joints. So if you begin to scan your entire body, identify the areas that need your attention, that need a little bit more relaxation, perhaps, using the intention to soften there, to find the alignment that allow you to let go a little bit. Might not be easy, might not be happening from the first time, but Qigong is a journey. Any practice sets you up on a journey of discovery and experience. We're learning about the body, we're learning the mechanics, we're learning how to communicate with the body. So keeping a good form here, making sure your spine remains nice and straight. Tailbone is pointing down. You let your shoulders drop down, but at the same time elongating through the back of the neck. Keep your knees nice and soft. Just make sure that you feel your lower body, feel your foundation. Very good. Let's slow it down. Place your hands near your abdomen. Lift to the chest, rotate, and press out. You're looking far into the distance through your fingers. And then bring your hands back down and relax. And again, a very pleasant opening through the front of the body, through the chest. Opening through the front of the neck. Bring your hands back down and relax. And again, going up. Nice. It's simple yet effective exercise when done with joy, when you get to experience the effort and then relaxation of someone on my wrist, going up. Allow yourself to open and then to soften. Maybe bring your hands near the abdomen. This time we're going to separate, keeping your spine nice and straight, head looking forward. Open up. Bring your hand back down slowly as you relax. Open through the other side. Couple of those. Inhale as you expand, allowing yourself to stretch and open down the side of the body. Exhale to soften. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Very good. Bring your hands in. And then scoop again as you separate. Turn to the side. Keep in the good posture. Just constantly checking in with your alignment. Coming back. And again, lift. Turn to the other side. Coming back. Inhale as we turn. Exhale as you come back. Inhale as you turn. Exhale, come back. One more time on each side. Come back. Keep your hands in front of you. Now rotating your shoulder, rotating your arm. Open your chest and look behind your shoulder. Bringing your hands back to center. Unlock your knees, relax. Inhale as you open like a book. Open to the side. Look behind. Rotating back and relax. So as if you're kind of unraveling and opening up here through the thumb. Is going all the way to the back. Open your chest. Coming back. Go easy on your neck. It's a good exercise for the neck where you don't want to really strain. Just comfortably turn into a point that feels good. So you feel the stretch, but it's pleasant. That's the difference. One more time, rotating around your thumb. And coming back. Very good. From here, inhale, drawing your hands out. Exhale, palms down. As they pass the chest, rotate and place your hands on your lower back. Gently push forward, making sure you put some weight on your toes, opening up through the front of the body. Release, going forward and down. And this time your hands will come down with you, traveling all the way to your ankles or as low as you wish. And take a moment here to lengthen through your spine for just a split second. Then bringing your hands on the inner leg, slowly come up, finishing at your abdomen. Open your hands, inhale, exhale. Turn, inhale, exhale, push forward. Inhale as you come out, exhale down. Inhale, brush your toes, coming up. If you cannot reach your toes, don't worry. Stop at the point that feels comfortable enough. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, going forward. The key here is to keep your back nice and straight. So as you feel yourself kind of arching through your back, you stop and lengthen through your spine. Slowly coming up and breathing out to settle. Then bring your feet together. Inhale as you raise your hands through the side. This one is good for centering, for grounding, for calming down. Inhale on the other side, breathe in through your nose, exhale. Gathering the energy, gathering your attention, and drawing it inward. Begin to walk across that bridge that I call a mind-body connection. So walking into your body, be able to experience the sensations within, be able to communicate better, be able to listen to what your body is telling you. So we can do action preventing the disease, preventing illness, just by being aware of what's happening internally. So taking this moment, taking this opportunity to simply be aware, be present, walk in that bridge, training your mind, and once more. Exhale. Let your hands rest just below your navel. And if your hands feel nice and warm, just bring that warmth into your body, into your lower belly. And feel yourself a little bit more centered, a little bit more aware, and a little bit more present. Very good. Thank you for joining me. I hope it was helpful to you. Whether you're practicing in the morning, midday, or in the evening, just take this 10 minutes to stretch slightly, to breathe better, and to feel more connected to yourself. Once again, I wish you great health, stay well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams.